Hello everyone, in this video I am going to do Brain Teasers chapter number 12 question number 2 part C. In previous videos I have explained other questions related to constructions. In this question ABCD quadrilateral is to be constructed. ABCD two sides are given. This is third side 4 centimeter. Diagonals are given. So how will you construct here? Rough sketch I am drawing. Like AC we will take 9 centimeter. AB and BC both are given 5 and 4. So these will be taken this way, this and this. AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter. CD will be, now AB and BC you have taken, AC also you have taken. CD is given 5 centimeter, that will be drawn below CD. And last thing, BD is given to you. How much? 8 centimeter. This. And this will come automatically AD. So you need to write here along CD what? 5 centimeter. And how much is BD? 8 centimeter. So in this construction, 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Not very tough construction, easy. So this is 9 centimeter. I am taking this in the center almost 0, and this is 9 centimeter. This is AC. How much is AB? 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter compass will be opened. Compass strip here, open further till 5. Compass strip on A, and this is an arc from 5 centimeter, right? Keep the compass strip on C and open 4 centimeter. Compass strip on C and draw this way. So what are you observing? We are not able to intersect both these arcs. I will increase this 5. ये देखो, they will not cut each other. So it means we are not able to do the construction. So what we will write here, AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeter, and AC is 9 centimeter. For the construction of triangle, like here we are to construct ABC. So we can judge from here that this will not be constructed. Why? Because if I add AB and BC, the sum should be 5 plus 5, that is 10 centimeter. Sorry, 5 plus BC is not 5, BC is 4 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 will come 9 centimeter, and AC is already 9 centimeter. It means AC has become equal to AB plus BC. Whereas for the construction of particular triangle, sum of lengths of two sides of triangle must be greater than third side. So you will write here that triangle ABC cannot be constructed because sum of lengths of two sides of triangle is not greater than length of third side. Length of third side. So if triangle ABC will not be constructed, then overall quadrilateral ABCD cannot be constructed. So this way you should write that quadrilateral ABCD cannot be constructed. Now this question, D part. We are to construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which all the four sides are given angle A 120 degree, and further he is asking that what type of quadrilateral is this. So here you can see first rough sketch I am doing. Suppose this is taken AB. Angle A is of 120 degree. It will come like this. When all the sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram, because this angle and the angle at B, they will be co-interior angles. So this will be 60 degree, because angle A plus angle B is 180 degree, means co-interior. So this angle will come 60 degree. This we are to find out. And here BC will be 5 centimeter, and this AD will be 5 centimeter, and these will be joined. So this is also 5 centimeter. AB was also 5 centimeter, and this CD will also come 5 centimeter. Let's construct and later we write that what type of quadrilateral is this. So keep the scale in proper position, and this is 5 centimeter. So drawn 5 centimeter. This is AB. Angle A is 120 degree. With compass it can be drawn easily. This is 60 degree, and this is 120 degree. So extend this line. And I have written here 120 degree. This we have found that it will be co-interior. Or we can do one thing. 5 centimeter compass can be opened here. 5 centimeter. Keep the compass tip here and cut an arc. Write this point as D point, and it is 5 centimeter. No need to imagine 60 degree. It will come automatically. You will observe right now. Again 5 centimeter compass is opened as previously you have opened. Keep the compass tip on B and cut an arc this way. Keep the compass tip on B and cut an arc of 5 centimeter. And similarly, keep the compass tip on D, and with same opening 5 centimeter you cut an another arc. एक बार आपने 5 सेंटीमीटर B से कट किया, एक बार D से, and both the arcs are intersecting each other. Now you join it with B and then with D. Now check what angle B are you getting. ये देखो, I have kept the protractor here. ये देखो, you are getting 60 degree angle. I have already told you, but we need not to draw 60 degree first. This is also 5 centimeter, and this is also 5 centimeter. Now he is asking that after you have made this quadrilateral, you are to determine what type of quadrilateral is this. You have already done the definition of rhombus. Rhombus is in fact a parallelogram in which each pair of adjacent sides is equal. तो देखो 5 is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 5, and 5 is equal to 5. Ultimately, all the sides become equal. And since rhombus is a parallelogram, so AD will be parallel to BC. AD and BC will be parallel. AB will become transversal. So angle A and angle B will become co-interior angles. That is why this angle is coming 60 degree. So it is satisfying all the properties of the rhombus. So we can say that this is a rhombus. So result we will write ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Further, he is asking what type of quadrilateral is this? So this is a rhombus. You always must read the question thoroughly in the exam. Sometimes some students leave the type. If it is asked, you must write in the exams, right? Now let's do E part. Here PQRS quadrilateral is to be constructed. Two sides are given and four angles are given. Now I am making a rough sketch. Suppose I take here PQ. How much is PQ? 4 centimeter. Angle P and angle Q all are 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, suppose I have made this way and I have made this way. Right? This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Now PQRS, how much is QR? 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter will be cut here. This is PR point, 4 centimeter. And at point R also there is 90 degree. When you will draw 90 degree, it will be joined like this. And here will come point S. Basically, it will become the figure of all sides equal. So PS is, now let's determine only two sides are equal. PQ is given 4 and QR is given 4. After we will do the complete construction, we will come to know that what type of quadrilateral will it be there, because here he has not given all sides equal. Only PQ and QR sides are given 4, whereas each angle is given 90 degree. So let's start drawing. First, how much is PQ? 4 centimeters. So see here, this is 0 and this is 4. Now we need to make angle P and angle Q 90 degree. As I have already told that we can make it with the compass. So preferably the angles which can be made with compass, you should make those with compass only. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, one from 60 and one from 120. Similarly here, this is 60 degree arc, this is 120 once from 60 and then from 120. Then need to extend with solid line. This is PQ and it is given 4 centimeter and QR is given 4 centimeter. So let's open 4 centimeter. Here I have cut the arc of 4 centimeter. The name of this point is R, 4 centimeter. At point R, the angle is what? 90 degree. So again 90 degree will be made at this point. And it can be made again with compass. I have kept here. You may extend as per the requirement. This is 60. This is 120. Once on 60, then on 120. And extend this line this way. Arrows. This point is S point. PQRS. This is 90. This is 90. This is 90. This angle will also come as 90 degree. You can check with protractor. See, I have kept the protractor. Exactly it is 90 degree. So if we want, we can write here also 90 degree. Now this is 4, this is 4. Let's check how much is this. This is also coming 4. Let's check this. This is also coming 4. Means all the sides are coming equal. What further more he has told? That what type of quadrilateral is this? You know, the quadrilateral in which each angle is 90 degree and all the sides are equal. That is called what? Square. So here I am writing result. ABCD is the required quadrilateral, although he had given in the beginning two sides equal, but now when we have made, all the sides have come out to be equal. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. It is a square because it is satisfying all the properties of square. Now F part. So let's do F part. See the question, what is to be made? We have to make ABCD quadrilateral. All the sides are equal. Diagonals AC 7 centimeter and diagonals. Another diagonal is not given. But condition is given that diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Later we are to write what type of quadrilateral is this. So see, I am taking here one diagonal which is given, that is AC. What? 7 centimeter. And AB, BC, all are these given. This AB and this BC. This is B point. AB is also 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. And even CD is also 5 centimeter. And the other diagonal, this BD, is given 7 centimeter. Diagonals, so this is AC diagonal given. We will not see that what it is. First AD side is given 5. Later you will observe that diagonal BD will also come 7. He has not otherwise given. You need to draw only those things which are given. So this is the rough sketch. All four sides are given and one of the diagonals is given. Let's make fair construction. Here 7 centimeter will be taken. This is 0 and this is 7. Start stepwise. AC 7 centimeter. Now you need to open the compass once only, 5 centimeter. Same will be used for all the sides. So keep the compass tip on A, 5 centimeter, on C 5 centimeter. Then from C below AC 5 centimeter. From here 5 centimeter. So we have cut all arcs of 5 centimeter. Join this. Join this also. Join this. And join this also. So right here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This is C point and this is B point. Now he told diagonals bisect each other. Here this point is D. You will join BD. And now observe that how much centimeter is it. ये देखो, this is exactly 7 centimeter coming. So one thing is sure that AC and BD diagonals both are 7 centimeter. And moreover, you can observe by measuring this, what angle is it? 90 degree. So suppose this angle M, here point M, I can write angle BMC, angle BMA, angle CMD, angle AMD, all will be 90 degree. So we need to check that which quadrilateral satisfies these properties, that diagonals bisect each other and they bisect each other at 90 degree. I am showing one table for this to you. ये देखो, डायगनल्स आर इक्वल किस किस में ऐसा होता है? एक रेक्टेंगल में होता है और एक स्क्वायर में. डायगनल्स आर इक्वल and they bisect each other. So you can see diagonals intersect each other at right angles. It happens in rhombus and square, right? So we need to satisfy all the properties. Diagonals intersect each other at right angles. It is happening in rhombus and square. and diagonals are equal also. It is happening in rectangle and square. Means to say that diagonals are not equal in rhombus, because he has written diagonals are equal in rhombus. No. So diagonals bisect each other, that is true in square. Diagonals are equal, that is true in square. And diagonals intersect each other at right angles, that is true in square. So it is satisfying all the properties of square. Let's check that each angle of square is 90 degrees. Is it so? Check angle A is how much. ये देखो, you can check angle A is 90 degree. If you measure angle this, any angle, all angles will be 90 degree. So this is a square result. In a result we will write ABCD is the required quadrilateral. It is a square as AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and all the sides are 5 centimeter. Even on measurement, what we have found, that BD is also equal to 7 centimeter. So therefore AC and BD both are becoming 7 centimeter, means diagonals are equal. And when we have checked, we are getting angle A, B, C, D all are 90 degree. So therefore it is satisfying all the properties of square. So ABCD is a square. So this way we have written the type also. I hope all the constructions explained are well clear to all of you. Now in my next video, I will post the solutions of G and H part. Thank you. If you have liked the video, then press like, share the video with your friends and comment also. Thank you.